How to see who shared your post on Facebook. This tutorial walks you through checking exactly who has shared your post straight from the app. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen. From there, tap on your name at the top to go to your profile. At this point, scroll down through your posts until you find the one you want to check. In the next step, look just below the post for the share count. It'll show something like 2 shares or 5 shares. Go ahead and tap on it. Following this, a list will appear showing the people who have shared your post. From here, keep in mind that only shares from accounts set to public will show up. Anything shared privately won't appear on this list. Finally, if there's no share count visible below your post, it either means no one has shared it yet or the shares are hidden due to their privacy settings. And that's it. If this guide helped you find out who shared your post on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.